Copy, everything's nice and straight in here. Okay, can you pull the door open a little more? Right, clear. Okay. Did you get the main down? I'm gonna pull it down. Houston, the Mesa came down, alright. Houston, Roger, we copy and we're standing by for your TV. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Surface is fine and powdery. I can pick it up loosely with my toe. It does adhere in a fine layer, like powdered charcoal to the sole and inside of my boot. I only go in all fraction of an inch, maybe an eighth of an inch, but I can see the footprint of my boots and the tread and the fine sandy particles. Hey, this is Houston, we're copying. Unofficial time on the first step, 1092420. Yeah, I think it's going the wrong one. Okay, I'm ready to pull it down now. There was still a little bit left in me. Okay, don't hold it quite so tight. Okay. Looking up at the lamb, I'm standing directly in the shadow now, looking up at Buzz in the window. And I can see everything quite clear. The light is extremely bright, backlighting into the front of the lamb. Everything is very clearly visible. Coming down the ladder now. Okay, I just checked. Get back up to that first step. That isn't collapsed too far, but it's adequate to get back up. Roger, we copy. It's a pretty good little jump. Buzz, this is Houston, F2, I'm in the 1/160th second for shadow photography on the sequence camera. At the foot of the ladder, the lamp foot there, so conditions on the ground. Absolutely no trouble to walk around. Okay, the descent engine did not leave a crater of any size. It has about 1 foot clearance on the ground.